हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका स्टे विद नुबीन में। तो आज का ब्लॉग कुछ अलग है। आज मैं आपको अपने रोज़मर्रा की क्या हम कर रहे हैं वो नहीं बता रहा हूँ, आस-पास का क्या हो रहा है वो नहीं बता रहा हूँ। तो आज कुछ अलग सा है। एक्चुअली क्या है कि हमारी मैडम जो है स्कूल में पढ़ाती हैं, वहाँ वो एसएसटी पढ़ाती हैं। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एसएसटी में जो ज्योग्राफी में पहला चैप्टर है उन्होंने एक्टिविटी कराई, यानी एनवायरनमेंट की एक्टिविटी कराई समझिए, ठीक है। तो उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया, क्लासरूम में ही एक्टिविटी कराई। तो उस एक्टिविटी में हमने कहा कि क्यों ना आपसे भी शेयर किया जाए उस एक्टिविटी को, क्योंकि उसको प्रिपेयर करने में बहुत टाइम लगा, उनको मेहनत लगी है। तो अगर आप कराना चाहते हैं अपनी क्लास में तो उससे हेल्प ले सकते हैं। तो आज की ब्लॉग में यही रहेगा, और अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। और फिर हम कल मिलेंगे आपसे अपने नए ब्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।
Good morning all of you. Today my name is Karan Tiwari. Today we are doing an activity regarding to the chapter 1 of Geography Environment. So let's start it.
Environment is our basic life support system. Environment are connected with the animals, trees, forest and water and air. Environment are the sum of all the non-living and living things. Thank you.
An environment is everything that includes living and non-living things. Thank you.
Environment provides us air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat and land to live.
The environment is the surrounding where we live. It consists both factors, abiotic and biotic factors. The environment is the four major components: lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Thank you.
The environment is everything that surrounds us, including living and non-living things. Thank you.
Keep the ocean blue and the planet green. And save animal, not pollution. Not pollution is the solution. Save our environment. Thank you.
Environment means neighborhood.
Our environment is getting directly day by day. Thank you.
There are three major components of environment. First one is natural environment. In natural environment, there are atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Second one is human-made environment. In human-made environment, there are building, parks, monuments, etc. And the last one and third one is human environment. In human environment, there are humans and community, political situations, etc. Thank you.
In this activity, we learned about atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere.
We should not cut trees. In this activity, we learn about the basic components of environment.
In this activity, we learn about components of environment.
Environment is our neighborhood.
From this activity, we learn that we have to not cut trees and plants.
In this activity, we learn to save our environment.
In this activity, we have learned components of environment.
In this activity, we learn components
In this activity, we learn of components of the environment. By this activity, we learn environment is our basic life support system. It provides air to breathe, food to eat, and land to survive. Thank you.